Well, fam, we were 1 day off. GameStop was up 20% after hours with a huge green candle. And what I mean by we were 1 day off, if you have watched the past two videos, we were calling out this gap higher right here on GameStop. Now, why did GameStop jump in after hours trading? GameStop is considering investing in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. I got a problem with this. I got a problem with CNBC posting a rumor. I got a problem with this rumor spreading very fast on X, and I'm going to explain why. First of all, we take a look at the 5-minute chart or the 1-minute chart, and we see this beautiful, huge green candle with tons of volume. We got a lot of volume after hours. We are currently still up 9%. Here's why I have an issue with this, right? Let's take a look into the article. Video game retailer turned meme stock GameStop is considering investing in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. According to sources familiar with the matter, GameStop is exploring investments in alternative asset classes, including crypto and, in particular, Bitcoin, three sources said. Shares of GameStop soared as much as 20% in extended trading following the news. The retailer could decide not to follow through with the investment, but the company is still in the process of figuring out if this made sense for GameStop's business, according to one source. Last weekend, Ryan Cohen posted a photo with Michael Saylor, co-founder chairman of MicroStrategy, the largest corporate holder of Bitcoin. However, Saylor isn't involved in GameStop's discussion about crypto investments at the time, two sources said. Then they go on to state that back in 2022, 2023, 2020, whatever, they had some sort of ties with in the crypto space, right? In the wallets, in the NFT space. But now they have amassed a massive $4.6 billion cash pile. Now, if this is true, right, it is huge news, obviously, because GameStop has a massive, massive cash position. Now, I got an issue with this because Ryan Cohen posted this picture on February 8th with Michael Saylor. There have been rumors about this Bitcoin purchasing thing all along. Out of nowhere, CNBC comes out and says, GameStop is considering investing in Bitcoin, right? How do they know this? Where are they getting this information from? The thing I see that's an issue here is that no one is even looking at where the information's coming from. I'm seeing this spread all over Twitter, all over X, whatever, right? And people are so hyped about it, which is fine, but it's not the rumor that's pushing the stock. It's the algorithm. That is exactly why I called out this gap higher right here. Now let's take a look. Let's take a dive deeper. First of all, this is the algorithm. Okay, I want to say two things right here, right? One, let's see how similar they are before I talk about the second thing. Okay, sorry, that's the dates. Let's take a look at the price range from the bottom of this candle. 23% gap higher. Okay. Let's do the same thing just for comparison, all right? Grab a price range, bottom of this candle. Guys, I mean, come on. This is an algorithmic move. This is not a move based on the rumor of GameStop purchasing Bitcoin with their buying power, with their cash. It's an algorithmic move. That's one, okay? So get that out of the way. It's a 23% gap up. It's going to show it on the daily time frame. It's a 23% gap up. What do we have? 4 days later, 4 days later, a 93% gain. If we saw something similar, right? If we saw something similar, you're looking at minimum $50 by the start of next week. Okay. Tuesday, Wednesday next week. Given this downturn right here took about 2.5 days, while the other one took only 2 days, right? Anyway, secondly, right, let's talk about the second thing I wanted to cover. AMC got no relief, no sympathy move from GameStop. Why did that happen? Most of the time it happens where they get a sympathy move no matter what, right? They trade in tandem. People always talk about that. And even if GameStop gets a 10% move, AMC is likely to be up 1 to 2 to 3%. But it got a 20% move and AMC's still red, not even trading, right? There's barely any volume here. Nothing's happening. Like I said, it's an algorithmic move. AMC, January 19th, had the gap higher. This is when AMC gapped higher. If we look at GameStop, GameStop's gap was on January 11th. You see the difference here? Okay, AMC's not ready, and it's at exactly where we're tracking. All right. So what does that mean? That means AMC's finishing out what we're tracking before a pop, and it's coming soon. But they're playing out the same algorithm, the requel, right? It's all happening again. And this is what I wanted to talk about here. Given maybe the rumors are true, maybe they have already purchased Bitcoin, and we'll see that in the upcoming earnings call. Who knows? AMC's earnings coming up. If you didn't see the video I posted earlier, I covered the whole market, blue chip stocks, as well as AMC and GameStop completely as a whole. So make sure to watch that video. I have a couple other things that I want to cover and throw into tonight's video just because I wasn't going to make a video tonight. But February 13th, so today, MOEX halted trading during the evening session at 8:40 p.m. local time after identifying data-related problems. The exchange has not provided detailed information about the specific nature of the issue. Russia's Moscow exchange halted trading. Nobody knows why. I don't know if this correlates with anything. Maybe, maybe not. Just something I'm throwing in the video. On top of that, a little bit of tin. Nothing will prepare you for what happens at 28:25 of this presentation. Greg posted today at 3:29. Now, the SEC just acknowledged Grayscale's 19B-4 filing for their spot XRP ETF. XRP is getting moved up to 255. I was hoping for another dip opportunity on XRP, but this could be the beginning of a longer term move up. I'm saying is keep an eye on it. Coinbase, they did beat earnings revenue 2.27 billion versus an estimated 1.87, EPS 468 versus estimated 204. Yet Coinbase is down. I called it out earlier. I said be careful because a lot of earnings plays have done this, and then open flat, which is just going to crush your contracts. IV crush, right? That's what's happening with Coinbase. Unfortunately, Airbnb and some other plays smashed earnings up 15%. I also wanted to let you know I gave you ticker symbol HIMS a while back. I was going to touch on it in today's video, but I actually want to save it for another video and we'll talk more deeply into it. But I just want to say this thing could be just squeezing and not over at all. It has a 30% short interest and it had a higher one. So just keep an eye on this one as well. Overall, guys, that is what I got for you for tonight's video. Remember, Discord was on this. Okay, we're getting a lot of new members. They were on this news. We have tons and tons of benefits in here that you will get nowhere else for the value. And I promise you, there are the best vibes. There are no bad questions. This is the top link in the description. Join my Discord server. I also post my trades as soon as I take them, and I talk with everyone on the daily. So get in here, guys. That way you don't have to wait for another video. You can come talk with each other about the news. Also, the second link in the description is for a free broker. It's Moomoo. You sign up, make a deposit into your account. Once they approve you, they're going to give you up to 30 free stocks, each valued up to $2,000 per stock, and give you access to level 2 order book data for free trading options, going along, going short, viewing other exchanges, and more as a retail trader. If you want to know all those benefits, slow it down. But you're also earning 8.1% APY on your uninvested cash. Again, this is all for free. Just sign up through the link. It's a free broker and deposit into your account to start earning the free stocks. Again, this is a video I uploaded earlier. You are still gonna want to go watch that. So that is it, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Love you all. Press the like button. God bless. Lottery Socks out.